Hey guys, today I'm back with these Star Wars nails just in time for the new movie, and these are inspired by the Resistance logo, and I thought I really like this blue polish, so let's make it blue and add loads of glitter to it. So if you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off by painting my index and pinky fingers black, and then using this glitter polish from Fun Lacquer, it's Vacation, I dry brushed some of the remains of glitter on my nail at the tip, trying to get a sparse amount before later on, where I'll be using a sponge and just applying that glitter straight to the sponge so that the sponge absorbs all the polish, just leaving the glitters behind, and just dab that on the tip of my nail. Then going back over with the brush for filling in this place. And for my middle and ring finger, I'm using this Luke Skywalker polish from Smelters to Kelly, just painting my nails. And then once that was dry, I just went in with a quick dry top coat because I'll be using acrylic paint for this. So with the black acrylic paint, I'm just painting a long diagonal square, rectangle I mean, for the lightsaber. And I just went back over that into silver for the handle and created some dots for the buttons. Then back with the black, I'm just outlining, filling in the space around it. So for the Resistant logo, I'm just painting it inside out. So I'm started off with outlining the logo, going back in with a toothpick just to dig out the bits that I don't want, and then filling the rest of that in with black polish with black acrylic paint like I done on the other designs. And again back with that trusty toothpick to clear up the design. And then I went back in with that Vacation hollow glitter, filling in the lightsaber to make it look fabulous. And then finally I applied a top coat. And there you go, these Resistant nails, just in time for Star Wars The Rise of Skywalker. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!